I am renovating this farmhouse, but I don't live here because I work somewhere else. Ironically, the job that makes this project possible, it's also the one that keeps me away from it. Honestly, I don't believe in the dream of leaving everything behind to live in the countryside. I simply can't afford it. The house has expenses that I couldn't cover otherwise, at least for now. So I do what I can and enjoy this place on weekends or whenever I find the time. Within this big project though, the veggie garden feels like my greatest achievement. It's my sense of freedom. It requires time I don't have, a routine and presence I can't give, so absorbed as I am by work and the many other things I have to do and I want to do. With the lifestyle I have, one I've partly chosen and partly fallen into, as many of us do in today's society, the garden becomes a kind of manifesto for me, a symbol of true quality of life, of healthy and nourishing food that grows right at my doorstep. Caring for a veggie garden is difficult, but when I can wander there searching for those delicious fruits between the weeds I can control, it's pure happiness. In those moments, however brief and scattered, I feel rooted. Yes. I only recently discovered that fig leaves are edible. They can be used in cooking, to make teas, or in other preparations. They also have several health benefits, though I won't go into details here since I am not a herbalist. But of course, the internet is full of information if you're curious. Since I don't usually drink much tea, I am dehydrating the leaves and turning them into powder. This way, I can use them in winter, maybe even in some cookies. So good. You should really make them, they are just the best. Candies are nothing compared to this. So good. I am basically assembling a very cheap board I paid it 50 euros with some legs that I bought separately because I couldn't find any table that had the size I wanted. I wanted it to be at least 2 meters by 80. And everything I found was either smaller or bigger and expensive. With this solution, 50 euros the board, I think 60 the 2 legs. Perfect. There is a little bit more work to do, but yeah, I'm used to it. I am learning basket weaving, so from time to time I try to make one or to follow a course to learn a new technique. And this is the last one I made. It's so beautiful with this zigzag pattern. And today I want to add a shoulder strap. So I have either this one, but I'm not sure, maybe I will keep it for another basket. This is a belt I bought in Peru many years ago. So it's a wool belt. I don't know, maybe it's a bit too much for this one. So I'm thinking of using simple leather webbing. Alright, wild friends, that's it for this episode. See you in the next one if you'd like to follow along how my project unfolds. Ciao ciao!